Facebook, ChatGPT, Airbnb, and the rest of them. What do they know about rapid and fast business growth that you don't know about? In this video, I'm going to be giving you the 5 steps that you can start applying in your business to experience rapid growth within the next 90 days or even less. Don't go anywhere. Hi, I'm Enrique Osaf, Creator of Strategy, and my job is to arm you with strategic insights that will position you and your business to win for a long time. Stick around. See, gone are the days where businesses need to spend huge amounts of money for advertisement using TV, radio, newspaper, magazines, and all those kind of things. Those days are long gone with the introduction of the internet and then social media. Those days are long gone. In the past, people would just come out with an average product or service and pump huge amount of marketing on it, and then it will succeed. Now, it does not work anymore. If you have an average product, a product that does not meet this criteria that I'll be sharing with you, it will never succeed. Times have changed. That's why you need to watch and share this video. What I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to transform your thinking and change your business forever. So the first step is achieving product market fit. What do you mean by product market fit? It means having a perfect synchrony between your product or your service and the customer. So the first thing you do on that product market fit is to identify a burning desire, a need, a trouble, a pain point that customers have. So the next thing you now do is now to build the simplest version of a product that starts solving that problem. They call it the minimum viable product. Minimum viable product, we're not going to spend much money building that product. The simplest, not simpler, simplest form of it. Very simple, but it has started solving the problem, and then you push it out to the customers. What you now do next is start getting feedback. Feedback. What are they saying about it? What don't they like about it? And so on and so forth. And then you start doing a lot of tweaks, a lot of improvement in the features and all of that. They call it iteration cycles. Rapid improvement based on feedback. Call it BML, build, measure, learn. You build it, you push it out to them, and you are getting feedback. You are measuring things and you are learning from it. What you learn from it, you feed it back into the building process again. You understand? So it's a cycle. Iteration cycle. When Facebook started, the first version was not good. They were all average. Airbnb, very average product like that. But they were improving very fast because of feedback they were getting from their customer. Are you getting it now? So the next step, number 2, is purple cow. Have you ever seen a purple cow before? The answer is no. So cows are usually milk in color brown or black. There's no purple cow. So what that means actually in essence is that do something that is unusual. When you see a purple cow, it will attract your attention. When you see normal cows with normal colors, it doesn't attract your attention. You are used to it. It's boring. Are you getting it now? It's boring. Thou shalt not be boring. So even if you've achieved product market fit, your customers, they love the product. It's solving their problems very well and all of that. The next thing is that put something in that product that makes it stand out, that makes it remarkable, something awkward or unusual, but not offensive, but something unusual, something crazy. Think out of the box. For example, you have a restaurant now and people love your food. It's what they want, it's what they crave for. But you don't stop there. You can do something like the waitress, the kind of outfit, the very awkward but beautiful outfit. It can be the kind of plate you're using to serve. It can be that as they are serving food, they are singing and dancing. You understand? Just do something crazy, something out of something that will make people start talking. That's what you want. You understand? You human beings, we like gossips a lot. Especially something that is new. Hey, have you seen that? Have you seen that kind of thing? Have you seen this? Have you seen this? Something that will make them talk. Something worth talking about. That's purple cow. Something unusual, something remarkable. So number 3, you employ growth hacking tactics. What do you mean by growth hacking tactics? Virality. Something that will make it go viral. Now, it means you are going to be giving incentives to people. Anything that you want people to do more of, you give incentives to it. Reward people for referring your product or your service to others. It can be 20% discount, it can be 30% discount, or whatever, but put incentive and reward. Another tactics there is something that Apple and BlackBerry used in those days. When you send an email, you say, send from my BlackBerry or send from my iPhone. Are you getting it? So something that will make it spread. Okay, you have to give discounts when people refer, something that will make people bring more users. As they bring more users, those users tell them that if they bring more, they will get it free or they will get 50% discount, something that will make it go more viral. You've done number 1 and 2. It has already become remarkable and product market fit solves their problem. So that means it will be easy for them to refer people, okay? Because people want to refer people to something that is good, and you now add a reward on top. So all these things put together, they all work in hand to make things grow rapidly. Another growth hacking tactics now we've talked about too is a small influencer, okay, that you know about, collaborate with them to talk about it, or a group, you know, something like Facebook group, Instagram group, LinkedIn group, whatever group, okay, enter into that group and find a way to push it there. All those things are free, or you pay small amount of money. Are you getting it now? Viral loop growth hack tactics you employ. And the 4th step is you doubling down on a channel that works the best. What do I mean by channel? It can be LinkedIn, depends on your product or your service. You know that there are some platforms that work best. For example, if you are a furniture maker now, okay, you might not be the type that you are typing plenty things. In fact, let me just tell you now, every business needs to be on social media. Choose the one that works best and stick to 1 or 2. Don't spread yourself thin. You're on Facebook, you're on TikTok, you're on Instagram, you're on LinkedIn, you're on Twitter, everywhere. You can't do that at that stage. Just choose 1, at most 2. Okay, so you can just be a furniture maker. You make your furniture, you video yourself the process before and after, how the wood is looking very dirty and ugly, and then you see after looking very beautiful furniture. Just do a video, like post it on YouTube or post it on Instagram. Okay, the platform that is more adapted to that kind of content. And then that's it. And you double down and write something wonderful about it and keep doing it every single day. That's the secret of this number 4. Every day, or at least almost every day. You don't do it once a week or twice a week. Especially if it's something like TikTok or Facebook or Twitter. Those are the ones that you do things every day, sometimes even 5 times, 6 times a day. Depending on the platform anyway. Just be flexible, just understand how that platform works. But you must focus on one, at most 2 platforms, and put all your focus on it. That's the number 4 step to rapid growth. And number 5 is turning your customers to loyal advocates. That means reward your customers for telling others. This one is a little bit different from that referral that we talked about. This one is that this person is an established customer. You are rewarding that person's loyalty. Okay, unlike that one, is just the person is coming new. You are rewarding it, so the person will bring another person. Okay, this one is that this person is already your customer. You've identified that this person is your customer, the person is loyal to you, and then you can give exclusive perks for them. Say, people who have bought like 5 times from us, or people who have bought this certain amount from us, all those kind of things. You give them VIP status. People like to feel exclusive. People like to feel special. And then when you do that, you are making them loyal advocates. They will start advocating because they feel special. They feel seen. They feel respected. They will go and be advocating. They will be like your evangelists. Once you apply this 5 steps, I'm telling you, within 90 days, you will see massive difference and improvement and growth in your business. In 6 months, in 1 year, you have become the market leader or a strong, recognizable voice in your industry or in your niche. Are you getting it? It works all the time. It's a principle. Do you understand? That's what works now, not 25 years ago that I need to spend millions and billions on marketing campaigns. No. Are you getting it now? So I want you to share this video. I want to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be dishing out very valuable stuff that will help you position you to win for a long time. I'm going to see you in the next video.